In this movie, I'll show you how to align a group of objects to the artboard. So the idea is I want to take these four squares that I've aligned to each other, and I want to set them at the exact center of the artboard. And that's something that you can do automatically inside of Illustrator. And here's how. I'll start by selecting all four squares. Then I'll go up to the Align option up here in the Control panel, and I'll click on it. And then I'll change this Align To setting from Align to Selection, which is the default, to Align to Artboard. And that way we can align these objects to the artboard. And then I can take advantage of these Align Object settings up here at the top of the panel. So for example, I could click on Horizontal Align Center. The problem is that goes ahead and aligns each one of these squares to the center of the artboard. And then if I click on Vertical Align Center, then basically I make all of the squares coincident, so they're sitting right on top of each other. Obviously, that's not what I want. So I'll go ahead and press Control-Z or Command-Z on the Mac a couple of times in order to reinstate the square's original positions. Here's the deal. Anytime you want to retain the relative positioning of a bunch of selected objects, you have to first group them. So I'll go up to the Object menu and choose the Group command, or I can press Control-G or Command-G on the Mac. And now you'll see that there is no word align up here in the control panel, and that's because this thing has been set to align to artboard. And as a result, I have direct access to my alignment options, so I can click on Horizontal Align Center in order to very slightly nudge those squares over to the left in my case. And then I'll click on Vertical Align Center in order to drop the squares down. And now the point at which all four squares intersect with each other is aligned to the very center of the artboard. And that's how you group objects to maintain their relative positions, as well as align the group to the artboard here inside Illustrator.